Can Sora AI really turn your words into a compelling video? It might sound too good to be true. Crafting the perfect prompt for a killer Sora AI video can be tricky, but here is the hack. Let's give it a try. In order to get started, go to sora.chatgpt.com because to access Sora, you need the credentials of ChatGPT and click on login. And once you have logged in, you will get a screen something like this. On the left hand side, you will see the multiple options. Explore will allow you to search the intended video you are trying to produce. Images will show you the images based on the text prompt. And you can reuse these images and the prompt to get the intended results. I will show you in a short while from now that how you can reuse the existing prompt without writing anything from the scratch and still you get the high quality images. Similarly for video, and this is what I am going to demonstrate you in this video. Now you can see these are the high quality videos, and just imagine if I ask you to create a video something like this, what level of prompt you may have to write. It may require several iterations before you actually start getting the intended results. But the main tricky part over here is that you don't have to write anything from the scratch. You can reuse the existing prompts which are available in Sora and customize it to suit your needs. I will pick this video. And if you go at the bottom here, it says edit prompt. Now this is the prompt which is responsible for creating this video. Now in order to make this video as per your requirement, you have to tweak this prompt. Say for example, it says show me a clear creek running through the forest with messy rocks all around, and then have a camera pan above the water to underwater and show a trout swimming. So say for example, I want to have a shark over here right at the camera, only to eat it when the camera goes black. So this is the prompt which I have modified a little bit by putting a word shark over here. Let's see how it goes. So click on create video. So now it is added to the queue for further processing. It is still doing some processing. Once it is done, this spinning wheel will stop. Okay, sounds like it is done. Let's see what's in there. Now you can see over here, just by modifying the prompt to include the word shark, the shark is showing up over here everywhere. So depending on which video you like, you can accordingly decide to download that particular video. For example, I want this video. So I will click on this and then click on download. It's downloaded. Let's replay offline on my local computer. Perfect. So now it is looking beautiful. So you have seen that how easy it is to create a video by reusing the prompts which are already available in Sora. Let's pick up one more example. Say for example, I want to create a video birthday card. For that, I will go to search and I will say birthday. Okay, so these are predefined birthday card over here. So instead of the existing name over here, you want to put the name of your daughter or your friend or anybody else you prefer to put in here. Let's pick up this one, Andrea birthday. Let's modify this prompt. Catch up Monday. Instead of Andrea, I will say Amy. 2nd June 2025. And instead of 3, let's say 6 p.m. Now imagine the complexity involved in this prompt to create the video birthday card. And again, if I ask you to write the prompt, it may take several iterations before you end up coming up with this prompt to get the intended video. So that's the beauty of using the existing prompts, because it speeds up your video development. So click on create video. Let's see how it goes. Okay, sounds like it is ready. Let's see. Okay, so there we go. Now the Andrea is replaced by the name Amy. Amy birthday Monday 2nd day till 6 p.m. is what I had modified in the prompt. It is looking good. So for example, if I want this one, the first one, click on the first one and again repeat the same process. Click on video, download. Download is ready. Click on download. And here we go, it goes on your computer. So now you have seen how easy it is to create the new videos using the existing prompts. Let me know your experience using Sora. I would be very interested to know, because there are some challenges when you are using AI to convert the text directly into a video. Hope you enjoyed this video. For more AI hacks, subscribe to my channel.